Tesla is the top frontrunner in the electric motor business, with vehicles leading in several areas. Although it boasts the record for the quickest electric car in manufacturing, Tesla is also working on a battery-powered pickup truck and a Class 8 vehicle. Despite being a trendsetter, Tesla has a vacant area for development. They don't have an electric van. However, that is all about to change as the Tesla van arrives. Join us as we investigate the Tesla van in depth. Since Tesla has concentrated on other vehicle types and found remarkable success, other companies have worked on rechargeable battery vans. For example, Rivian caused a stir when it obtained a 100,000 unit electric van order from Amazon. The e-commerce giant's strategy was to use the vans for shipments to reduce carbon emissions globally. The deal, however, is not shocking as Amazon is the biggest shareholder in Rivian, so Jeff Bezos is essentially taking money out of one pocket and placing it into yet another. Talking about Tesla, they will build the vans using a micro-factory idea to scale back capital investment and installations timelines. It intends to introduce the vans to the industry by the third quarter of 2022. Even conventional automakers like Ford and Mercedes-Benz are getting into the electric motor game. Ford uncovered its e-Transit electric cargo van in November of 2020, whereas Mercedes-Benz decided to sell a battery autonomous version of their Trackstar van in the United States beginning in 2023. However, all of this is not enough to deter Tesla from entering the electric van market. Tesla CEO Elon Musk confirmed the situation that must meet to begin producing a Tesla van during a conference call in the fourth quarter of 2020. Musk linked the manufacturing of the Tesla van to the accessibility of battery cells, which is understandable given that an electric van requires more battery than an average electric car. As for the electric vans and its other vehicles, Tesla establishes facilities with many battery partners, including Panasonic and LG, but it is also creating its battery factory. Coming from Elon Musk, it's not shocking. It chose to install a battery plant in Giga Berlin earlier this year, requiring a reapplication to the German authorities by the end of 2022. Let's move forward to the van's framework. The Tesla electric van is constructed on top of a structural battery. It became clear after the company reported it would shift away from the industry's skateboard architectural style, which is the standard. Tesla had decided to make the skateboard-like system popular with its Roadster, but now has decided it's better to step on. The first vehicle to benefit from new structural batteries is the Model Y created at Giga Berlin. After that, all future cars will benefit from better structural batteries. Tesla came up with the idea for a structural battery from the aerospace industry. In establishing the fuel tanks within the wings of a car, Tesla will build a battery pack that works as a body structure. Then they will make the rear and front edge of the chassis as two individual pieces and use its famously powerful Giga configurations, so the battery pack continues to serve as the vehicle's structural platform. And the battery cells help reinforce the structure as one big unit. It is an industry-defying move. As other EV makers seek to preserve the battery, Tesla wants to use it as an essential structural part of its electric vehicles. The benefits are considerable, as this technique decreases the number of bits needed to make a chassis by many orders of magnitude. Using the car as an example, Tesla claims it will remove 370 parts. It is significant because it means fewer chances for failure. There is a lot less welding, riveting, and finishing involved, significantly cutting the production process. This model is high-end because it tends to cost approximately $165,000, but you'll get a humongous 450 miles per charge. You would also add roughly 7.5 miles per hour through the solar panels implanted in the ceiling and rear bumper. These solar panels are some of the most productive in the industry. The Tesla van will be an SEV, but before we get into the deets, will the inclusion of solar panels make the van extremely expensive? So, how do the solar panels on the Tesla vehicle look? Musk discusses it on the Joe Rogan podcast, where he openly talks about his businesses and personal life. The Tesla design team considered embedding solar panels in its vehicles. It is a piece of cake because Tesla has solar panel manufacturing factories in Buffalo. But Musk explained to Rogan why it was not worth it. Equipping any of the Tesla's currently available vehicles with solar panels would vastly increase the cost of the car while not providing enough worth to drivers to pay for the function. The issue is that most passenger vehicles do not even have the surface area or are driven in the correct weather to make the installation of solar a beneficial remedy to our car. A few have attempted this with creative projects, which hasn't yielded much potency. Now, to use the situations of the Tesla van during a meeting held with his staff, Tesla stated the van might move large numbers of people at a time. It will fit in with Musk's project to establish underground tunnels where autonomous cars would travel optimally. The company has already experimented with the Las Vegas Convention Center using Tesla cars. However, the Tesla van is a suitable replacement for the job. Musk also alluded that the Tesla van would accommodate disabled riders. Is this SEV the future of the automobile industry? Let us know what you think of Tesla's electric vehicles in the comments section.